Okay, are you ready for our DSP Paper Share Sketch Project number 17? I am. Here we go. We're using this sample from the Countryside Inn DSP packet with boho blue as our complementary color. Here's how I chopped up my DSP sample. We're going to use the 2 large pieces for this sketch. I simply stamped with boho blue ink the "Hooray, It's Your Day" sentiment from the Irresistible Blooms stamp set on basic white. Then I used the smallest scalloped contour die to die cut out my sentiment. Here are the parts and pieces for this simple sketch. I want to darken up the edge of my DSP, so I'm going to use a sponge dauber and my boho blue ink to add a little bit more definition. Just dab some ink onto the dauber and then apply it to the edge of your cut DSP. When you're done, you'll have a framed, with ink, piece of DSP. To start putting our project together, you're going to fold that cardstock in half and give it a good crease with your bone folder. Then with liquid adhesive, we're going to add the first layer of DSP directly to the card front. The second layer of DSP we're going to pop up onto dimensionals. Here is how I applied the dimensionals to the back side of that DSP. I have some down the middle to give it a little bit of support. One of the reasons I like this sketch is because with one piece of DSP, you can show 2 different sides and have coordinating patterns to show off our beautiful collections. Now we're just going to add that die cut sentiment with a couple of dimensionals on the back. I think this card needs a little bit of bling, so I'm going to use the Blueberry Bushel Tinsel Gems to add to the front of this card. So here's the final sketch, and I just love how we can mix and match our coordinating colors with our papers, ink, and embellishments. I hope you liked it today. Be sure to check out my other DSP sketch projects I've shared on my YouTube channel. Do you like written instructions? Be sure to click on my link for the mini tutorials email subscription. Just a reminder, when you place an order with me each month, there is a thank you kit headed your way. This bottom picture is the thank you kit for this month. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Don't miss anything I share. You're also welcome to sign up for my newsletter that comes out every Monday. And really, you can help Girl out by giving me that thumbs up, leaving me a comment, and sharing my content with the friends that you like to craft with. Thanks everybody. We'll craft again soon.